Good morning, buenos dias, ¿cómo están? This is Brett, aka Crypto to Surf. If you don't know, I'm a crypto developer turned YouTuber influencer. Reluctantly, I didn't really want to do this, but I knew that people need to hear more from the developer side of things, and I was curious to see what kind of opportunities this might open. Where does this lead to? Hiding behind the scenes and wanting to be the hermit, the recluse, most of the time makes you miss out on opportunities in life that you could have otherwise seized. So we'll see where this takes us. But Bitcoin has breached $103,000, and people are reaching out to me again, like they do during every bull run, asking what to buy, how do you buy, which ones are going to be the top ones. Everybody just wants this magic crypto that's going to take them from $1,000 into $10 million in a month. But those instances are so rare. That's like winning the lottery. Everybody knows somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, and that's all you hear about in crypto. What you don't hear is the many more people, the 99.99999% of people that lost more money than they ever would have gained if they would have simply just bought some of the top cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, now XRP, and just held. That's really all you have to do. So my recommendation, if you have a job, buy the top 5 or 10 cryptocurrencies out there, mostly in Bitcoin. That would be my suggestion. And just keep feeding your bags, man. Keep feeding your portfolio and watch it grow. Everything that us crypto nerds have been screaming from the mountaintops for years is finally here. The US government, many other countries around the world, El Salvador, BlackRock, MicroStrategy, everybody's finally into crypto, and all our dreams are finally coming to reality. So my recommendation, keep your day job, keep feeding your portfolio, watch it grow. Don't go off into crazy meme coin stuff if you don't know what you're doing, unless you're an expert, really. I don't recommend meme coins for anyone but experts. Why? Because it's like playing the lottery. Even me as a developer, I don't know which one the communities are going to love versus which ones are going to hate. I mean, not all the time, I should say. Obviously, some of them are just horrible from the get-go. Bad design, bad concept, some of your shady names that they throw on these things is kind of scummy. I stay away from those, by the way. Stay away from it because the odds are not in your favor investing in meme coins. So many of them rug pull or dump, or the investors buy a big bag, they snipe it right at launch, they wait for it to pump, and then they sell everything all at once with no regard for everybody else in that community who's losing everything. So my advice is just to go the old boring smart route. Keep your day job, buy some more top 5 or 10 cryptos, watch it grow until you can comfortably retire. Do not go chasing that meme coin dream unless you really know what you're doing. I'm gonna keep on making videos like this, little tips and suggestions. If you don't know how to buy crypto at all, go sign up for a Coinbase account. Look at those videos from Coinbase. Make sure you're choosing the right source and not following some scammer. Check out a video from Coinbase's YouTube channel and follow them. I mean, some of them are a minute or two long. It's so easy to sign up for these accounts, link your bank account, and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, the tops. Drop a comment if you have any questions or anything. Please include it below. If you have any crypto projects that you would like promoted, I'll take a look. Of course, I review things, and I'm not going to promote anything that I think looks like a rug or a scam. But if it's legitimate, the dev team is solid, please reach out to me. My contact information is below. Other than that, you guys please like, subscribe, and I'll keep dropping more videos as I continue to grow this channel. Brand new journey for me. So y'all have a blessed day. Take care.